Want to program a key fob for your 2003-2008 Isuzu Ascender and save money? Good news. It's a simple, tool-free process you can do yourself. These Ascenders use a straightforward system where you sync the fob's radio frequency with the vehicle's computer, body control module, or BCM. This video will give you a quick, step-by-step guide to get your key fob working. We'll cover the exact steps and some common pitfalls to avoid. First, ensure your fob has a fresh CR232 battery. Get in your Ascender, close the door, and insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on-run position without starting the engine. Press and hold the lock button on the fob for about 10 seconds until the horn honks to indicate entry to program mode. Within 30 seconds, press lock and unlock buttons alternately on each fob to program. Exit by turning ignition off and testing the fob. A common mistake is timing. Be precise with the key positions and button presses. If it doesn't work the first time, try again, making sure to follow each step closely. If problems persist, check online forums for Ascender-specific advice or consult a mechanic. Good luck.